Hi everyone! Welcome back to the ALLS YouTube channel. This week, we explore a free resource for teaching and learning computer programming. Blockley Games is a series of educational games that aim to teach programming in a fun and structured way. Designed for kids and people of all ages who have no experience in coding, Blockley Games takes the learner through 8 stages of interactive games that introduce basic programming concepts. By the end of these games, the player should be well equipped to start using conventional text-based programming languages. The first level is called Puzzle, where the basic block-based coding is introduced. Here, the learners are able to practice putting blocks together to answer the requirements for the succeeding levels. It also provides a soft introduction to the concept of objects. Maze is a level that introduces loops and conditionals. Use the blocks to craft code that would move the person to the intended destination. The difficulty of the mazes starts easy, but gets increasingly difficult the more the player is able to progress. Bird is a deep dive into conditionals and control flow. Practice your if-else statements by guiding Mama Bird towards her nest. Don't forget to catch the worm on the way so the baby birds have something to eat. Turtle lets you practice loops. Use nested loops to paint a picture. Then publish your art for the world to see. Movie is an introduction to using mathematical equations in code. Use basic math concepts to animate a movie. Then publish your movie for the world to watch. Music is an introduction to functions. Use functions to compose music. Then publish your music so the world may listen. Pawn Tutor introduces text-based programming. The progression of this level switches back and forth between blocks and actual code to provide scaffolding. Finally, Pond is an open-ended contest to program the smartest duck. The intention of this level is to encourage the learner to let go of the block system and finally attempt a fully text-based programming implementation. The benefits of using Blockley games are well researched. One study, for example, found that Blockley games improved students' computational thinking skills in the dimensions of decomposition, abstraction, and algorithmic thinking. This translates to faster learning of advanced programming concepts in the classroom. Another study found that using Blockley in their elementary and high school classes raised interest in computer science among the students and made computer programming related subjects more engaging. Designed to be self-paced, Blockley games may also be downloaded for offline use for the benefit of teachers and learners with limited accessibility. For interested researchers and developers, the code for Blockley games is also open source and fully extendable to meet your research and development needs. For example, this study extended the Blockley code so it can teach advanced programming concepts such as binary search trees and data structures. Try out Blockley games now at www.blockley.games. See you next week!